it's your girl, Miss Lady Ree, and I'm back again with another video. Y'all, it has been a minute since I vlogged, but I am back with one video. Today, I am doing a DIY project. So I decided to go to Michael's on a Sunday because I was feeling really crafty and creative. And I just started a new job. And I have my own cubicle, so I was like, you know what? I want to do something different, something creative to decorate it. And so I went to Michael's and I found some styrofoam letters for my initials. And I wanted it to be like something cute, but budget friendly. And since I already had those bag of roses, I was like, it has to be something that I could use the roses for. So I found these styrofoam initials and I bought the gold ribbon to do like a trim around the initials. And y'all, I think it really came out cute. So with the sale that Michael's had going on, it was a 50% off spring sale. So the original price for each styrofoam letter was $4.99, but since it's 50% off, I got the letters for $2.99 each. The letters are 10 inches. I was able to find some other things as well to help decorate my office. I found some gold tinsel paper to use as like a backdrop for like pictures and stuff. I think I'm going to do a separate video to do a vlog on my office and how I decorated it. But for the most part, I want everything to be like super budget friendly. I'm not trying to spend like a whole bunch of money on no decor for an office. I don't know if you guys have seen those videos on TikTok. Like I was just getting lost down the rabbit hole looking at all of those videos for like cubicle decor. And so, yeah, I may do one. I may do a video once it's done. Like right now, I'm still in the beginning stages. So, like I have a couple of things decorated. But yeah, it'll probably take me like another 2 months before it's like everything is done, before it's like fully decorated. Because I'm just taking my time, like maybe every time I get paid, I buy a little something here or a little something there. And you know, you don't always find everything you need at one store. Like you're going to go to multiple stores to look for things. So that's where we are with that project. And so for this idea that I had to get the initials, I really didn't see this before. I kind of just came up with it on my own. But I didn't know how I was going to get the flowers to stick. Originally, I was thinking like, okay, if my flowers had stems, then they can stick in the styrofoam like super easy. But I don't have stems for these roses. I took them all off. Don't ask me why, but I took them all off. So I bought some Gorilla Glue gel to see if that would work. I was thinking of a couple of things that I could try out. So I tried out the Gorilla Glue gel. That did not work. The gel was starting to eat up the styrofoam, so I had to cut that out real quick. I had put it on a ribbon just to like try it out, and yeah, that did not work out. So then I'm like, okay, what else can I do? So I decided to get my glue gun out, and luckily I still had the packaging for the glue sticks, and the glue sticks said that you can use them for styrofoam projects. So I was really excited once I saw that, and ended up being what worked out for this project. So if you made it to this part in the video, I really appreciate you for watching. I quadruple 100,000 million trillion gazillion thousand times. Thank you so much for watching. The support is greatly appreciated. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, Miss Lady Ree, if you like DIY, some travel. I do a little bit of family vlogs. So thank you guys again. See you in the next video. Oh yeah, stay tuned to see the finished product.